In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 8, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach your phone dialer, then select contact that you would like to block, and if you'd like to block this one, just tap on more icon and select add to blacklist. And as you can see, it has been added, and from now on you will not receive any calls or messages from this contact. Then if you'd like to remove it from your blacklist, tap on more icon and select delete from blacklist. And this is the one option. And the second one is to open more and reach call blocker. And here you can smoothly create your blacklist. So just tap on more again and click on add or block calls, messages, or both. Let me pick add. And here you can smoothly add contact that you would like to remove. So smoothly enter the number, then mark if you would like to block it for both messages and calls, and tap on OK. And that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to send you a message or even call you. And this is it. This is how you can block number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.